So when I walk around Caffeine and Octane, so many cars catch my eye. It's really difficult to select one or two that, you know, really stand out. But this was easy today. When I was wandering around and I saw this custom Ford Model A, it reminds me of driving around the Indianapolis Speedway. Back in the day, you know, you see all the old pictures of the race cars and, you know, it just brings you back to your roots. I was immediately drawn to this car of yours here.
I was immediately drawn to it too when I saw it on eBay last year.
You got it on eBay?
Yeah. It's based on a 1931 Ford Model A. It's not styled after an exact car, but it's styled after a lot of the race cars from the 20s and the 30s.
So when I saw this car, do you know what I thought of immediately? One of my favorite movies of all time is Chitty Chitty Bang Bang.
Well, that's what my wife says. Let's go for riding Chitty, and she laughs the whole time.
So a bit about my background. I raced IndyCar for a while.
Cool.
And I know they used to race this kind of car around
Yes.
the Indy 500 Speedway. So it blows my mind how good those guys must have been because, you know, how dangerous it was back in the day.
There's zero protection on these things. You know, you're out there, no windshield, the goggles on. The long hood is, you know, way out there in front of you. It's just a whole different ride, and that's why I wanted it. It's a lot of fun.
Very cool. Can we have a look on the hood?
Sure. It's still the Ford Model A four-cylinder, but it has been rebuilt and the horsepower has been bumped up from the original Model A's made about 35 horsepower. This makes about 60.
It blows my mind how, in a way, how technologically advanced they were back then, but also how basic things were.
But it's a fun car. You can have a lot of fun just doing 45, 50 mile an hour on it.
Right? It's not about the ultimate speed because if you were doing 100 miles an hour in this thing, you'd feel like it was, you know,
Scared to death?
Scared to death, exactly. Okay,
So
turn the
key
key.
on.
I have to put my hand inside the steering wheel to get the key. This is so
and
cool.
then just push that in.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah.
This makes you so happy. Are you just like super happy when you drive it?
Yeah,
it's awesome.
Kind of hard not to have a smile on your face when you're on
It
it.
really is, huh? I love it.